Welcome to lesson 59, area of a rectangle. Now don't forget that a square is a special kind of rectangle, so you could also use this formula to find the area of the square as well. And the formula is very easy. It is area equals length times width. If you have the length and the width of the rectangle, you just multiply them and that will be your area. Now what is area? Area is a square amount of something, meters, feet, inches, that cover an area. It could be a square amount of carpet that covers the area of the floor of your room. It could be tile that covers the floor in a kitchen. It could be the square footage of grass that's going to cover a football field. Okay? All that covering is going to be the area. So with that shape up there, it's one of your homework assignments. I have a length of 6 and a width of 4. Now I've drawn it as inches because I want to show you something. Now the answer, well, what's 6 times 4? 24. Length times width. That's all you do. Length times width. So 6 times 4 is 24. This answer has a little more to it, but it's basically 24. Okay? Let me show you with a ruler, because I've divided by inches. I want to show you what happens if I draw a line at every inch. Alright, now I've drawn a line at every inch, and we talked about area covering like a floor, right? So how many squares do you think are in here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 18, 24. 24 squares fit in this area because it's 6 by 4, which makes 24. That's how the area gets covered. The way you label your answer, now this is in feet, so we got to pretend it's in feet. You would write 24 feet squared. You need to put the little 2 to show we're not talking about 24 feet long, we're talking about 24 square feet. Okay? So it's very simple. Let's look at number 2. Number 2, you have another shape in the homework, and it says it's a 10 by 5 shape. By 5, and this one is in feet. What's 10 times 5? 50. This is 50 feet squared. Oh no, I think it's in inches. It's in inches. 50 inches squared. So don't just write 50, you have to put the 50 IN, then the squared symbol, because we're looking for the area. And this is not 50 inches long, this is 50 square inches that will fit inside this box. If you have any questions on area, then come and see me and I'd be glad to help. Thanks.